Ladies and gentlemen, referee Rich Mitchell has called a stop to this contest at 1 minute, 31 seconds of the very first round, declaring the winner by TKO, Mateus Jaguar Camilo.
Thank you so much, okay? Thank you so much. All respect for you, okay,
You too, brother. You too.
You're great warrior, my brother.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
I'm here with the winner, Mateus Camilo. Mateus, you certainly silenced this crowd, that's for sure. In the fighter meetings, you talked about the jiu-jitsu, but of course it was a clean right hand that dropped him. Was that the game plan? Did you know that you would catch him rushing in?
Mən burada qalib dənəm, soruşmaq istəyirəm, bu jiu-jitsu oyun planında var idi mi bu strategiya?
Salam alaikum, Baku. First of all, I want to say thank you to my Lord Jesus Christ. And yes, brother, we train everything. We're ready for everything. Ground, strike, everything. I just show it.
Bəli, biz hər şey üçün hazır idik. Həm stand-up game üçün, həm də strike'lar üçün və bütün hər türlü döyüş üçün hazır idik.
Well, it was a beautiful right hand, and then the follow-up shots, he was covering up on the ground. What would you say to anyone that claims that that was an early stoppage?
Nə demək istəyirsən, bunu yəni ki, texniki nakautu hesablamağına görə, yəni qabaqcadan bunun dayanmağına nə demək istəyirsən?
I think it was clean shot. He was already don't do movement, and I think it was very good stoppage. And I want to say thank you so much for Nazi. He's a great warrior. Much more respect for him.
Mən böyük hörmətim var, yaxşı döyüşçülər var və mən düşünürəm ki, yaxşı zərbə idi. Sadəcə o game oyun planıma uyğun idi.
Well, congrats on a great victory. Your winner, ladies and gentlemen, Mateus the Jaguar Camilo.